Hey guys, so it's WHS Tech Tricks coming to you with another tutorial. This one is specifically for seniors, and today we're going to teach you guys how to migrate data from your school MPS EDU Gmail account and Google Drive, all that, over into a personal account so that you don't lose all your info come October 1st of 2020 when your MPS account will be terminated and all the data will be erased at that point. So you definitely want to do it sooner rather than later. All right, so the first step, so I'm already logged into my account here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to manage your Google account. And once I get here, I'm going to go down to data and personalization, and I want to transfer my content. And so I actually already created a new email address just so that I can look back on my schoolwork if I need it, but it doesn't clutter up uh, anything too much. And so, all right, I'm going to put in, whoops, that's not the right email address. So, nmer2001.mpsedu.org at gmail.com. All right, so that's the email address.
It's possible that even if you type in your email completely correct as shown in the video, you will get an error saying something went wrong, try again. This is usually just because Google servers are very busy at the moment, especially during this COVID-19 stuff. There's a ton of people using Google Meets, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Classroom, all taking up Google server space, so transferring files at the exact time you are trying to transfer may not work out. There are a few workarounds to this. The first would be just try at a different time. Try specifically at off-peak times, so that would include like evenings or early mornings when not many people are probably online or on Google servers. Another workaround that's not a confirmed workaround but seemed to work in the context of this video, so is worth a try, is to open a new window in Google Chrome and sign into the account that you want to transfer to, and open the Google Drive for that. And this, when trying to open that new window and then coming back and clicking send code, it seemed to work. So just a few options to try and troubleshoot this.
All right, so now that I got that done, I don't know why it was being a little bit finicky in the beginning. So I have to verify the destination account. So to do that, I have to go into my Gmail over here. All right, and so verify your account, get a confirmation code below. So I'm in this other account that I just put down. So we're gonna get the confirmation code. All right, I'm gonna take that confirmation code, copy it, paste it right over here, verify. All right, and I want everything from my Google Drive, everything from my Gmail to go into this account. So let's start the transfer. Alright, so it says it may take up to a week for the transfer to complete. You'll receive an email once it's finished, and you do want to be on the lookout for this email just in case something happens and it doesn't end up working. So we can see right now, if we go to the drive, there's probably not going to be anything there because the transfer hasn't happened. Oh, actually, things are starting to come in here. That is very interesting. So a whole Washburn folder with a bunch of classroom stuff, AP chemistry. So it looks like some of the most recent stuff is starting to come in. And it should continue to transfer until all 6 gigabytes of stuff I have are in there. But yeah, I hope this helped. As you can see, it's not too hard. You may want to create your own account, a new account, and as you can see, I did it in like the form of the other one. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day.